Hey guys, so today I'm here to show you my go-to method for transforming frizzy limp hair into super defined springy curls. But this go round, I achieved my look with the help of some new products I just got from Aura Haircare. Now what's cool about this is that with Aura, every product is personalized. They're also vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and SLS-free, which is amazing. And you start out by taking a hair quiz so they can get to know you and your hair, and you can select your hair goals to further tailor your products to you. And what I really appreciate is that you can also add pigments to your products. So if you've ever wanted to try a temporary color on your hair, then this would be perfect to experiment with. There are different fragrances you can choose from. You can even adjust how strong your fragrance is, or if you're sensitive to scent, you can go fragrance free. Then based on the answers to your quiz, they whip up your very own customized products with your name right on them. Everything is shipped right to your door in sustainable recycled packaging, and it was so nice when I received my package because it just felt so personal to what I wanted. They include a card with simple information on all that's included, and on the bottles themselves, they each have short, easy to follow directions on how to use. Now on to doing my hair. So I'm starting out like this. My hair had been in like a high puff for a few days and it was just time for a change up. I wanted to wear it out and bring in some definition. The first thing I did was divide my hair into 4 sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Then I applied some gloves and I'm starting with my mask. As you can see on the label, I did add black pigment to my mask because my hair really needed a boost. I hadn't colored it in a hot minute, so I knew I wanted this pigment to enhance my current color and keep it looking dark and rich. And if you guys didn't know, Aura is actually the first and only personalized hair care brand that lets you incorporate temporary pigments directly into the products, which I really enjoy because it certainly saved me a step in my styling process. It made things more streamlined and a lot easier. For this, the directions stated to apply from root to ends on dry hair and let that sit for 10 minutes. So I went ahead and applied that all over, really working it into my hair, getting all my strands coated. And since I had pigment in my mask, I was really happy that the formula was pretty thick because that helped to keep it from dripping and getting all over the place. After each section was thoroughly coated, I twisted and clipped it up and kept going until my entire head was completed. 10 minutes later, I went ahead and rinsed out the mask. Then I took my Aura custom shampoo, about that much, and applied it to my hair. And this lathered up so nicely. It felt really great on my hair and scalp. But also, you guys, the whole time I was doing this, I felt so luxurious because the scent that I chose was everything. This had my bathroom smelling amazing. After I rinsed out the shampoo, my hair was clean, it felt soft and hydrated. Then I started making sections so that I could apply the conditioner. This was pigmented as well, and it's designed to maintain the selected shade, which for me is black. So it pretty much works hand in hand with the pigmented mask. I applied conditioner to each section of my hair and then detangled with a paddle brush. I took each section and made a braided ponytail to keep my hair detangled and stretched. I made 8 ponytails total, and once that was done, I thoroughly rinsed out the conditioner and I let my hair air dry overnight. Here I am the very next day. My hair is dry and still stretched out in my plaits, and I took down one braided ponytail at a time. Then I added a few drops of oil. This is plain olive oil I have here to just give my hair some shine. Use a wide tooth comb to comb it out and get it totally smooth. And then for each section, I'm gonna split it into 3 or 4 parts, just depending on how big each section is. Take some hair mousse, about that much, and apply it all the way down my hair. I'm using orange and gray flexi rods to curl, and I like to start at the bottom and roll upwards. Then bend the ends of the rod to secure. And that's how I install the rod. So this process is really easy and straightforward. A tip I do want to mention though is that when you start wrapping around the rod, you want to take the ends of your hair and wind it a couple times around itself like that, and then start making a spiral going up. And this way your ends will stay flat and smooth as your hair dries. You also want to make sure to roll pretty tightly so you don't have any slack, and bend the rod so that your roots aren't loose. After all of my hair was rodded, of course, y'all know me, I like to avoid heat whenever I can, so I pulled out my trusty little fan and I used that to help speed up the drying and setting process. About 2 hours later, I removed the rods by winding in the opposite direction of the curl, and look at how bouncy and healthy my spirals are. My black color boost from my new Aura Haircare products definitely added to how vivid my hair is. Now I'm taking more oil to coat my hands, which will help to keep my hair smooth and separate each curl to get a full look. I'm taking a hair pick to fluff out my roots and get a bit more volume. Then some edge control around my edges. Shape and position. And that's how I get my bouncy curly mane. So I love this style, you guys. To me, it just screams fun, it screams carefree, and it always, I don't know, for some reason makes me happy wearing my hair like this. And it's also great to know that I can easily add definition and shape to my hair whenever I want and with no heat. This style is really versatile as well. You can style these curls in so many different ways. I've actually done a video before on 8 style ideas for curly hair, which I will link below if you haven't seen that. So yeah, if you want to try Aura Haircare out for yourself and get your own exclusive products customized to your specific hair needs, you can get a discount on your first purchase. All you have to do is visit aurahaircare.com and use this code to save. I also have all info down in the description box. So that's pretty much it. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.